We had been looking at Halliburton and we were outbidded or silly stuff happened, and then we got onto realtor.ca, decided to go more further afield, saw this place and just on a fluke came up and looked at it and loved it the second we saw it, but there were a couple of key problems of which Cedarland were then influential in getting those solved to make it the place we really love. Well, we knew one of the things that almost made me not buy this property was the basement. It was very chopped up. It just didn't work for our family. And we got a recommendation for another builder who we went to who wasn't able though to do any of the design work. And he suggested Cedarland. And we started to work with Brenna Mitchell and she did a fantastic job. And I thought, why would I not then get these great guys who did a great job of design to then do the full build? Because they obviously understand what they're going to build and what they've designed. And that's how we found Cedarland. Advantage is that it was very much one-stop shop. So if I felt something was going off, or I felt that maybe we hadn't made a right design change, there was one person to talk to who then worked with the whole team. I never was made to feel like I was being a pain or not helping the process. It was always, every comment I had was taken on board, it was addressed quickly. And the right sort of style decisions came out. And they also, when we went through things and I might go, well, should that be black, not silver? The design team would go, no, it's got to be silver, and you're going to see why, and I see it now. So they knew also, like where they needed to say, hey, no, I think we've got this right. They were willing to do that, and I think that's important, not to just cave to what I thought was right.